Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, best Vietnam hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory, and I'm back with a hot topic: how to stop hair extension from tangling. My instructions to help you avoid tangle your hair extension in this video are extremely helpful, so please watch this video till the end. The tangled hair extension has long been a problem that caused many users a headache. So, how to stop hair extension from tangling is always a question asked by many people. But first, why are our extensions tangled? After a period of use, hair extension must be exposed a lot of dust in the air. This will gradually create greasy substances and bind the hair together. Failure to handle greasing hair early will make your hair tangle and not as smooth as it was before. So, how to stop extensions from tangling? The first and most important way is to wash your hair on a regular basis. Many people always skip washing their hair when they first receive their hair extension. These are completely wrong things, because if you do not wash your hair regularly, from the very beginning, the dirt will gradually accumulate and be difficult to handle after. Please wash your hair extension after 3 or 4 days of use. Even if you rarely use those extensions and only leave them in the house, washing them after 3 or 4 days is also extremely necessary. Use low chemical shampoos combined with conditioners to keep your hair smooth. Washing your hair regularly will minimize your hair extension being tangled. The second way to answer the question how to stop extension from tangling is using hair oil. After about 15 to 20 days of using hair extension, soak your hair extension with conditioner. The use of hair oil will help your hair extensioner soak up, softener, increase shine, and prevent tangles. This is a useful way that not everyone knows when learning about how to stop extension from tangling. A third way to help you with how to stop extensions from tangling is to brush your hair regularly. Depending on the type of hair, use appropriate force when combing your hair. If you use straight hair extension, combing your hairs will be simpler. If you use curly extensions, be gentle when combing. No matter what type of hair extension you use, combing your hair in the right directions with moderate amount of force will minimize tangles. But you need to remember one very important thing: do not comb your hair when it's wet. Brushing your hair when it's wet will make the hair brittle and prone to shedding, seriously affecting hair quality. So, what should you do if your hair extensions are tangled? Brush your hair gently. Use a comb to gently move from roots to the end of hair. When you encounter tangles, use your hand